back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video not about skincare, hair care or any of the how to do things, but today I am going to be talking about the 10 different products that I like from the year 2017. So they are in random order, they are of different categories, so I'm just going to pick out one by one and tell you why I like them. So starting off with this first hydrating water, this is by FACESHOP. It's called the Chia Seed No Shine Hydrating Water, and I really love this product. I've also spoken about this product a lot before in my previous videos as well. If you haven't already watched it, this is one of my favorite hydrating waters. Now you can use it in different ways. So how I used to use it is because I didn't like this system of how you have to get this product off it. I usually put this in a spray bottle and I spray it on my face, and you can use it over your makeup, you can use it before your makeup, you can use it after getting your threading done to calm your skin, you can use it with a dry sheet mask. Just put this product on the dry sheet mask and keep it on your face for like 15 minutes, and there you have a sheet mask with hydrating effects. So there are different ways of using this product, and it is a very good product, like trust me, I'm in love with this product. So this is something that I really like, and it takes a while to finish. So you can see I've just finished half a bottle. And the next product that I like is these makeup wipes. These are from PAC. It's called the Clean Slate wipes, and it comes in very handy when you're on the go, when you're traveling, when you don't have all the other cleansing products with you that you normally have at home. So this is really very handy at that moment, and that's why I like using these. Apart from that, in makeup, I really like this strobe cream from Maybelline. So Maybelline by Facestudio Master Strobing Cream, and this is in the shade Nude that I'm using, but it's an amazing product by Maybelline. I'm not a big fan of Maybelline otherwise, but this is one of the products that I really loved. And when you put it beneath your foundation, it gives you a beautiful glowing effect, and it gives you the sheen which you'll really love. So you can also use this as a highlighter, a very mild, gentle, nice one here on your cheekbones if you like it. They come in different shades as well. That's another product. There's another product in the strobe creams that I really love. It's by PAC, and this one is in the shade Crack of Dawn. Now this one is more like a bronzer, and I use it very often. So this comes with a pump, which I don't like using because too much product just comes out of it and it gets wasted. So I just happen to use it like that, like take it off directly from the bottle. It's an amazing product, very good for Indian skin. It looks amazing. It gives you that sun-kissed effect, and oh my god, I love this product. Another product from PAC that I really like is the foundation, which I am also wearing right now. So this is the HD Liquid Foundation by PAC, and it is a lightweight foundation. It is like an everyday wear foundation. It is light as well as it gives you good coverage, so it does the job and it feels good. So it stays on long, it doesn't crack up, it doesn't make me feel oily. It's just good for my skin type, so I really like it. And if you guys plan on buying it, I would say go for it. So the other product that I really like from makeup is this winged eyeliner. Now this one is by Nykaa. It's called Get Winged. So they also have another eyeliner called Get Inked, which is like a thin felt tip, but this one is a little thicker. This is thick and has this cut here, this edge slant one, which gives you a bold eyeliner, and you can also make that thin line. So you can use it in both ways, and I really like this because it's like with a pen you're just drawing the eyeliner. It's comfortable. And coming to the skincare part, I really like this product from Glamglow. It's the brightening treatment, and it really gives you good results. I've used this and it's amazing. So I would really say you should try this for people who like high-end stuff. So in terms of body oil, now I have not seen too many brands offering body oils, but this one does. It's called Pure Sense, and if you've seen my previous videos, you will know that I've already used up 2 bottles of it, and this is my third. And I really love this product. And the best part of it is that it has a spray here, so it's more convenient and easy. So after a shower, you just spray in the oil, and then it's like using a moisturizer, but you're using an oil which just goes into it. It deeply penetrates into your skin. It's not the sticky kind of oil. It just absorbs, it gets absorbed into your skin very easily, and it's really nice. So I like using oils more than moisturizers right after a bath, and I generally put on the oils, and then I use a moisturizer to give me extra hydration and seal in the moisture. So that's how I go about with body oils and moisturizers, and this is one of the products that I really like. So coming to the last the second last product is this hair gel. Now this hair gel, for people who really like the wet hair look, who like strong hold gels, you like your hair to stay in place, I would really recommend this one because it's an amazing gel. I have used it for quite a few of my looks, and my hair just stays in place. Like whatever I do, I can go crazy dancing and my hair will still stay in place. It is really amazing. So if you want to, it's quite thick, a gel, so if you want, you can just mix it up with water, dilute it a little, and then use it. So that will make the hold a little lesser. But if you want like a really strong hold, you can use it by itself. And I've used this on myself, I've used this on my dad, I've used it on my brother. So everyone has loved this gel, and they keep using it from this. So every time I have put this gel on, people really ask me what have I done to my hair and what product have I used. So definitely something that you should have. And for hairstylists, you definitely need this. Another one that I have here, the last product that I really love, I swear by this product. I swear by this product for blackheads. And this one really, I've also made a video on how to use this and how effective this is, so go watch that if you don't believe me. And this product from Innisfree is my all-time favorite, and I don't think it will change for the longest time until they find a replacement for this. They also have, you know, other nose strips, but nothing is as effective as this one. I've used different brands, I have used different products like high-end ones also, but I think like, nothing could really beat this one because this one is really very good and effective, and I really love this one. So that's about it. I have given you my top 10 favorites of 2017, and I would also like to say one thing. Now I have made the products that I like. I'm also going to make another video where I know you all will be so excited to watch the products that I regret buying part 2. So I'm going to make another video on that, and I'm going to tell you there are going to be a lot of products in that, because what usually I do is I do not put all the products in my videos which I don't like. I make a separate video in which I tell you the products that I really regret buying or really didn't like after using them, which I thought would really be good initially. So it really doesn't make it through all those videos where I am talking good stuff about the products which I like. So that's a separate video, and I hope you guys look forward to it and enjoy that video as much as you enjoy other videos. So I'm going to see you in my next video. So until then, bye bye.